Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video, we will be learning about how to sort our data, means rearrange your data, and how to remove duplicate or find the distinct value in a column. Okay, so first to perform these like tasks, you have to install one package called as dplyr. So we will go to the package and install. We will write here dplyr and we will install this package. Okay, so now this package has been installed. Now I'll call the library and I'll call this package. Okay, so we have our data frame here. Okay, so we have another variable R. So RM is used to remove any variable from the global environment. So I'll use RMDF1. So this is removed. Now let's see our data frame again. Okay. So now in the cycle third column we have a 4683 value, and let's rearrange this in a manner. So for this we will declare one variable df1, and then we will call our data frame bracket start, the upper bracket, then we will use order function. Okay, then we will use our data frame. We will use dollar sign to call the column. Okay. Now, if I run this command, this will arrange the data in the ascending order. Okay. So, yes, use comma because this is for the row and this is the columns. Now, if I see the view df1, you will see the cycle is in ascending order. If you want to do this in the descending order, okay. So, if you want to basically rearrange your data in the descending order, then you have to use the minus sign before the column. And if I do control enter now, and you see R the CIL column has been in descending order. So by this you can rearrange your data in ascending and descending order. Now let's come to the point where we can basically find a distinct value in a column, or we can remove duplicate. The same way it will work. Okay, so we will take our new variable df2 here, and we will use distinct function here. Our data is df. Okay, and my basically again the column is df dollar sign cil, and I'll use uh, dot keep all equal to true. So what happen when you use dot keep equal to true? Will keep all your data, means all your column together with the this distinct value. So if I run this command and if I show you view df2, see I have the three distinct value here, and these are the all columns. Now if you don't want these other column, so you can do it false. So now it will let me check what's the df equal to, okay, this is false. It was on cap, so it's case sensitive. Now, if I run this, and so this is the distinct value in my cycle columns. So these are the two way. So basically, we have rearranged our data and we have removed the duplicates of the data frame. And if you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and uh, do share the videos with your friends and uh, like in your group who's willing to learn the analytics. And please subscribe the channel for the more videos. Thank you.